No, it's far from that. I think with Oscar's problem, it was an issue that we've had the first time we've seen in years and years and years. So confident that's fixed. And from my issue, Mercedes are sure that they fixed that, and it was again something which hasn't happened for years and years. So both quite rare issues, and both things that we're confident, both from a HPP side and from a McLaren side, that are fixed. But yeah, it's I don't know. Everyone makes it sound a lot worse than it is, and calling it a crisis is far from that at all, and it's nothing close to it. So, no, we're confident we can get some good points, I would say, this weekend. I think it's a close fight for, with Valtteri, with Alfa, and a lot of those teams towards the top 4 teams. It's a very big jump. But yeah, I'm confident we can be in that fight. I don't think we're that far away. It was made very clear and very early on that we're far from where we want to be, and like you said, for McLaren's expectations and who we are as a team, we're far from where we want to be. But we have a very clear plan. I think it's very clear from everyone back in MTC and here what we need to achieve and want to achieve. It's just going about setting it and achieving it, which is our next goal.
Lando, at this